In this video, I will show you how to write a very simple Hello World Nix derivation. First, we start with creating flake.nix file. In the file, we need to specify outputs. Outputs is a function. The function have two arguments, self and Nix packages. Then inside the body, we will create a new variable packages, which is a Nix packages dot legacy packages dot platform we use, which in our case is x86 64 Linux. Since we want to expose a Nix derivation through Nix Flake packages, we will specify packages and the platform we use, which is Linux, and followed by the package name. In this example, we will use hello package, and then we can actually create the derivation using a write text function. The write text function accepts two arguments, the first one in the name of derivation, and the second one is the actual content of the file. By using two single quotes, we can write multi-line text. And in this text, the indentation I highlight here will be deleted on the actual file. So let's go to terminal. Since we want to build a derivation which export through Nix Flake packages, the command we will use is nix build followed by dot, which means we want to use flake.nix from current directory, and sharp as a separator, and followed by the package name we want to build, in this case hello package. So we build the package. So when we list current directory, we can see we have new file named result. So let's take a look at the content of that file. As you can see, we have built a file using Nix derivation, which is exposed through Nix Flakes packages. If you want to build another package, you can just copy the hello package here and change the name for the second package. And go to terminal, run the same command but with different package name. Then when we look at result, we see the build result of the goodbye package. That's how you build a Nix derivation using Nix Flakes. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more Nix content.